Okay, so good afternoon, everyone. I hope you are fine. You are doing well. You have a rest and you have your lunch, o ya han desayunado, you have your breakfast, your lunch, okay? And you have like uh, all the energy to do the class, okay? Um, Today we are going to finish workshop number 2. That is talk about travel vocabulary, and we talk about must and mustn't, okay? So this is like to recap, para recordar un pequeño memories, like a little memories. Remember that we use must and mustn't to talk about rules, hablar de reglas, rules. We talk about obligations, obligaciones, prohibitions, prohibiciones, and we talk about strong recommendations, recomendaciones muy fuertes, strong recommendations, okay? So this is like a recap, un pequeño recorderis. We have here these examples, unos ejemplos, we have here in the examples, okay? So now in your book, where is your book? Oh my God. Let me, espérenme. Okay? So we have our book. Last class we did point number 5. We did point number 5 and point number 6. Okay, so today we are going to finish with point number 7 and page 72. Okay, page 72. So you're going to fill in the gaps, es decir, you're going to complete, and you're going to circle like the words, las palabras que no saben, that you don't know the words, okay? For this sentence. As you can see here in this chart, en este cuadrito, in this chart, you have again like a little explanation, una pequeña explicación. So remember, must, it's used when you have to do something and it's very important to do. Es cuando tenemos que hacer algo as it's really important to do. So you have two examples. It's you must study for the text. Deberías, tienes que estudiar para el examen. You must be wear a seatbelt. Deberías utilizar como guantecito, seatbelt, okay? And we have mustn't, or we can write mustn't not. So we use mustn't when you mean what that is not important to do. No es como tan yeah. Oh, it's important that you have. I don't know how to say that. Like yeah, it's not important, but you can like remember. Tienen que recordar. You can remember. Okay. So you have like you mustn't forget about the test. No debes olvidarte del examen. You mustn't forget about the test. And we have you mustn't drive too fast. No deberías manejar tan rápido. Of course, you mustn't drive too fast because it's really dangerous. Es muy peligroso. It's really dangerous. Okay? So, what we are going to do? The idea for this activity is like you're going to read, vas a leer, you're going to read each sentence, vas a leer cada oración, each sentence. And you're going to decide it if the sentence is with must, si la oración iría con must or mustn't, okay? So we have here, you must get lost at exercise. Deberías hacer más ejercicio. And the other one is, you mustn't smoke cigarettes. Of course. So you are going to read each sentence, van a leer cada oración. So you have you, the space to write, el espacio para escribir, the space to write. Okay, if you want to write must, si ustedes creen que la oración iría con must o mustn't. So the first sentence, la primera oración, the first sentence says, you space, está el espacio para escribir must or mustn't, watch too many hours of TV. Ver muchas horas de televisión. So you should use it. It's must, tienes, or mustn't, no tienes o no deberías, okay? The other one is you have some good friends. You have some good friends, tener buenos amigos. good friends. The other one is you, espacio, relax something. Entonces, si debe relajarse, have to relax, relax or not relax. Todavía no vayan a empezar. Don't start the activity, please. Let me they give you the instruction. Déjenme les doy las instrucciones y ahí sí empiezan, ¿ok? The other one is you. Tenemos el espacio, the space, sleep all day. O deberías o no dormir todo el día. You space eat lots of vegetables, comer vegetales, vegetables, okay? If you have question with one sentence, you can say it, okay? So the idea for the activity is your right. Must or mustn't, depending on the sentence, dependiendo de la oración, okay? So that's the idea for today. So when we finish, we are going to do the activity that Helen and your Pedro says, like to do something different, something funny, algo divertido, something funny, and also to like relax, para que se relajen un poquito. So to relax, okay? So remember, you have to write must or mustn't, depending if depending on the sentence, okay? So that's the idea for today.